Struggling to find the perfect business name? Well, fret not. You're about to uncover a foolproof method to choose a name that'll make your business stand out from the crowd. A name that not only sticks in minds, but also resonates with your brand values. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? So without further ado, let's dive into the process. The first step on your journey is brainstorming. Grab a pen, a piece of paper, and start jotting down words related to your business. Think about what you do, the values you uphold, the audience you're targeting, and the uniqueness of your product or service. Let your mind wander. The more creative, the better. Next, you want to shortlist your favorites. Look through your list. Circle the ones that catch your eye and strike a chord with your brand's ethos. Remember, a great business name should be memorable, easy to pronounce, and reflect what your business is all about. Once you've got your shortlist, it's time for a reality check. You need to ensure your potential business name isn't already taken. A quick Google search should reveal any potential clashes. You also need to check if the domain name is available, as having a website with your business name is a must in today's digital age. Now, you're down to a few potential names. It's time to solicit feedback. Reach out to trusted friends, family, or mentors. Ask them what they think. Do they understand what your business does from the name? Does it stick in their mind? Gathering different perspectives can help you refine your choice. Finally, take a step back and take some time to ponder. Don't rush this decision. After all, your business name is a long-term commitment. Make sure it's a name you love, a name you're proud to stand behind, and more importantly, a name that will grow with your business. So, to recap, start with a brainstorming session, shortlist your favorites, do a reality check, gather feedback, and take your time before making the final decision. Finding the perfect business name might seem daunting, but with these steps, you're well on your way to finding a name that not only defines your business, but also sets you apart in the marketplace. So, go forth, follow these steps, and discover the perfect name for your venture. That's all for now, folks. Don't forget to come back for more financial insights and tips, like subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.